In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX Gold today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. Yesterday, gold market opened around 30,950s, and we expected that the market can sustain and stay in uptrend, having 30,820 and 30,800 as a major support zone. Because we had increased our stop loss till this zone, because what we thought is that we need to protect the profit whatever we had earned earlier, and there are some lot of possibilities that after breaking this 30,820 and 30,800 zone, the market has got a lot of possibilities to reverse its trend. So that is what we were expecting. So now let us see what happened after that. After the price opening, you can see the market came down and tested 30,920. After the price opening, there was some pullback and it came down, and it is a 30,920 is acting as an intermediate support zone. On the previous day, you can see the market find some support. After breaking this, the market went up and tested this 31,020. So now let us see whether the market provided support. It was providing some support for quite a while, for a few hours, and after breaking that, you can see the market provided some pullback, but it doesn't have the strength to clear all these zones and go on to break this 30,100, 30,020. So a failure to stay above the zone pushed the market down. You can see the market came down very clearly, and it broke all our zones. We expected this zone to protect, to give some support, but it broke it very clearly. And after that, what exactly is that after there was a bounce back and the price closed around 30,840. So you can see that this 30,740 provided some support for this market. We can say that this 30,720. So you can see on the previous on 24th, the market provided some support here that pulled the market higher. So exactly the same thing happened, taking some support around the zone, and the market was staying here. So what we can do today is that the expected price opening is going to play a crucial role here. The price, what we predict is that the price was expected to open within this 30,800 and 820. That is subject to changes since we are posting this presentation before the currency market and the commodity market price opening. Commodity market opening, that is always subject to changes. Based upon the COMEX price, we can say that it is likely to open within this 30,820 or 30,800 zone. So even today we need to follow the same strategy. So swing, use this zone. If the price is staying above this zone, there are possibilities that the market can move higher. But if the price is trading below 30,820, there are a lot of possibilities that the market can take some resistance on 30,860 also. So you can see that the market was clearly taking some resistance around the zone at the end of the trading session, and we know that the market had taken some support around the zone on the previous day. So 30,860 can act as a possible good resistance also for pushing the gold down. So make a clear note that this 30,820 and 800 can be a possible deciding zone here for gold trading, because we see some why we had lifted this stop loss, and the reason behind this is seeing the price action in the international markets. We see the trend is a little bit down there, so we want to be very cautious about trading in gold. So what we can expect is that like what we followed yesterday, if the price is staying above this zone, you can go for buying. If that is going to stay below that, there are possibilities that the gold can move down also. So now let us see how we had identified, how we had drawn the trend lines. We had connected these highs, and we had drawn a downtrend line to guide us, guide the price actions that is happening down. And we had drawn a very uptrend lines also, but we need to follow us very clearly how we had drawn this. So let us go back and see the price point. So this price point that happened around 29,760. We had connected this low that was formed on 14th, and we had drawn a trend line to identify the trend. And again, after connecting this point and the next point around the 30,120, we had drawn another trend in order to identify the trend. And after connecting this point around 30,120 and connecting this low that was created, and we had identified another trend. So these are the three trends we had identified, and you can see that the trend is coming down. So the price is just coming down and following the trend. So we had identified a downtrend line also. So now it may look the price trend lines are staying somewhere above, more somewhere deviated from the market prices, as deviated from the trend. But surely we know that trend line is very particularly and important tool in analyzing the trend. So in future it will help us. So that is a major reason why we are today, even now itself we had drawn the trend, and in future let us see how it's going to guide us. So today possibilities are very clear in gold, so make use of it, and we see we had witnessed some selling in gold market. That is a major reason we had increased our stop loss. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our video. Happy trading. Bye.